Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings application and tap to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see the volume section, tap on it, and to mute ringtone we should slide to the left side the ringtone volume panel. So also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but be sure that volume keys for media switcher is turned off. And now with the help of the down volume button, so let's go back here. By press to the down volume button we can see that the ringtone volume successfully turned off. Also we can swipe it with the down with our finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.